Napoleon's eFIRE app controls nearly every function of your fireplace. On and off. Turn your fireplace on and off from your mobile device. Flame height. Adjust the flame of your fireplace to the perfect height. This option controls the valve to allow more or less fuel into the burners. More fuel creates a larger flame and more heat. Blower speed. Control the speed of your blower with a simple slider. This option will control the speed of a comfort fan or other Napoleon recommended blower that is connected to the blower output of the fireplace controller if equipped. The blower will only be on when the fireplace is on with flame. Nightlight. Adjust the brightness of accent lights to enjoy your fireplace in any season. This option will control the brightness of a Napoleon-equipped accent or night lights inside the fireplace. These can be turned on when the fireplace is in the on or off position, only if equipped. LED lights. Control the function of the LED lighting between color, preset modes, and brightness. There are 3 modes available for the RGB LED lights: Cycle, Ember Bed, and Color. Cycle is a slow rotation between red, green, and blue. Ember Bed is a preset color that fades in and out to best resemble real burning embers. Color is access to a color wheel to pick any color imaginable. There is also a brightness setting to dim or brighten the LEDs inside the fireplace, only if equipped. Timer. The app is equipped with a settable timer up to 24 hours. This timer will shut off all the features on the app screen. There is also a default timer that will shut the fireplace off 24 hours after the last interaction with the eFIRE app. For more information about the app, visit the Napoleon eFIRE webpage.